Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a flat twist using some new products from Uhaihair. Stay tuned. So I will only be using two products for this twist out, and that is the styling cream and the oil blend. So I've already done the back and the sides of my hair, and now we're going to focus on the front, which is looking a little bit dry, but we're going to fix that with this styling cream. So I'm using the styling cream as my leave-in and my styler, and then I'm just going to go in with the oil blend to seal in all of the moisture. So the styling cream is a water-based styling cream that will hydrate your strands and enhance your curls. This can be used for wash and goes, twist out, or bantu knots. This styling cream consists of coconut oil, shea butter, baobab oil, vitamin B5, and vitamin E. So to seal in the moisture, I'm going in with the oil blend, which is a lightweight blend of 7 natural and essential oils to calm frizz, add shine, and leave your hair soft without greasiness. So I'm doing medium-sized flat twist, and I do have a little pin-up going on the side. So just stay tuned for the final results. So now that my twists are completed, I am going to sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes and then let the rest air dry overnight. So here we are back the next day, ready for the takedown, and I'm going to add just a little bit of the oil to my hands just to prevent any unnecessary frizz. Okay, and the definition is on point. This is my first time using this brand. If you've used this brand before, let me know in the comments what your favorite product is. Definitely loving the styling cream and the oil. I also use some of the edge control on my edges. Next, I'll be trying the shampoo and conditioner, so stay tuned for that. So I decided to do some twists on the side, and I pinned them up a little bit and added a little hair jewelry just to spice up my flat twist out. So here are my final results. Cute, simple holiday look. Let me know in the comments if you are going to try this style out. Definitely feeling this look. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.